Hey guys, so here's some really cool stuff. So number one, there's a secret volume 11 on the Echo. So as you might know already, you can turn your Echo from volume 1 to 10, but if you ask Alexa, volume 11, see, it'll go to volume 11. Another cool thing that I found out is when you're listening to a music on like a music player or something on an iPhone 7, you can make it to where you can make like just one speaker go off. I'm pretty sure you already know about the one speaker thing, but what's cool about it is that it makes it sound really weird. Some of the songs, it makes it sound really weird sometimes. So those are just two cool things that I thought I'd share with you in this video today. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.